Restore Microsoft Store application in Windows 10. I had removed the Microsoft Store application. Yes, totally remove the app, do not ask how and what for. Smiley face. Is there a convenient way to set it up again or restore it? Anything except System Restore. Upt. I used this method to remove everything. And it works so good that nothing can be found again. Smiley face or sad face. Get apps package Microsoft.Windows Store, returns nothing. Search for Microsoft.Windows Store, returns only. C:\documents and settings / all users / Microsoft / Windows / app repository / packages / Microsoft.Windows Store _2015.7.1.0 neutral split.scale 200 8 wecab 3d8 bui folder is empty. C:\documents and settings / all users / Microsoft / Windows / retail demo / offline content / Microsoft / content / engb / appdata / Microsoft.Windows Store _8 wecab 3d8 bui folder contains only 3 JPG. C:\documents and settings / all users / Microsoft / Windows / retail demo / offline content / Microsoft / content / neutral / appdata / Microsoft.Windows Store _8 wecab 3d8 bui folder contains only 3 JPG.
I managed to get the Windows Store back with the following command in PowerShell. Add apps package, disable development mode, register C:\program whitespace files /Windows apps /Microsoft.Window whitespace s store _2015.722.24.0 neutral _ 8 wkeb 3d8 bbwe /ax metadata /ax bundle manifest.xml whitespace. If the command above doesn't work, you may need to take ownership of the Windows apps folder and explore and find your app manifest file for Windows Store. How to get access to C:\program files /Windows apps. To re-add all default apps, take a look at this URL.
So, the Windows Store is now back with me. As far as there was no complete solution in any single answer, here is my solution. Thanks for all who participated. What you'll need: the installed Windows 10 with apps, further it will be references as good Windows. You may use friend's computer. I used the VirtualBox virtual machine and an appropriate setup image. There is no need for license key for this, Win 10 can be set up without key and activation, it'll be enough for this solution. Step 1. Take the ownership of C:\program whitespace files /Windows apps folder as advised here. Step 2. Note 1. For those who are in italic, I'm not sure that they are required, I processed all of them, maybe they are not required. Note 2. For Windows Store folders there may be another version, as it can be seen in that phase answer. Step 3. Open Windows PowerShell. Register every folder, one by one, except the last one, in the order they are presented in above list with the next command. Example. You'll be close to success if the command with Windows Store will give no errors. Others may return errors if they were already registered. Step 4. If Step 3 was successful, you'll be able to find, press Windows key then type Store, the Store application in the Start menu. Try to start it. If it will work, congratulations. If it will be shown for a while and then closed, see Step 5. Step 5. Grant permissions for all application packages account to Windows apps folder as advised here. That's all, folks.
I was finally able to fix this. It's actually quite funny. I upgraded Windows 10 to Windows 10. Insert the disk or create and mount the ISO. You can download it here. I was able to upgrade to Windows 10 from other OSs using this tool directly, but that did not work from 10 to 10. Chose download and install updates, recommended. Accepted agreement. Chose keep Windows settings, personal files, and apps. After the upgrade you'll have the store and all other default apps back. It reverted the 2 Windows updates I had received, but then they downloaded and installed again just fine. I imagine this would get more risky as more updates come out in the future. After all of that was done, I ran these commands in an admin PowerShell to strip off everything but the store and calculator.
For Windows 10, although the above did not work, this was very helpful in getting to following solution for me to restore Windows Store, which just blinked and did not open since Windows 10 was installed as upgrade to Windows 8.1 Pro. First I logged on as administrator and checked the hidden folder under C:\program files \windows apps / to see that the file had a new updated version of Windows Store. As of August 29th, I had Microsoft.Windows Store _2015.8.25.0_x64_8 WCAG3D8 as latest version and still had the separate earlier version with name 2015.8.3.0_x64. Then I right-click Start icon, select Command Prompt, Admin, at prompt type, PowerShell, without quotes and hit Enter, then did following. Step 1, change directory /Windows /System32, cd/. Step 2, enter command with new file path psc, add apps package, register /program whitespace files \Windows apps /Microsoft.Windows Store _2015.8.25.0_x64_8 WCAG3D8 BBWE \Ax manifest.xml, disable development mode. If file path not recognized, then here are some tips, and where I went wrong. First, check that you have a space between program and files in the command line. Second, check that you have 2 underscores before 8 WCAG3 and 1 underscore between Windows Store and 2015 and space before and after register. Good luck. This was 2 weeks of effort, but now Windows Store fully functional.
Fixando isso,